we're going on a trip.
This is coffee. This is so beautiful.
Let's go.
Perfect, you're too good to be true.
What's up guys, it's Crazy K here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going on a trip. You see me, I look like a tourist. Am I giving tourist? Wait, I'm put on try to shoes. Am I giving tourist? Am I giving a baddie tourist? Alright, shut up. So in today's video we're going to Portland. It's a little Portland vlog, you know. Today is actually Independence Day in Jamaica, so happy 60th birthday Jamaica. I hope you enjoy your day and I hope that we start treating you better. But yeah, I'm going to Portland. I'm spending the night there, so I'll try to vlog as much as I can and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's go. So guys, we stopped at this little place. I think it called Summer Gap. So we bought food. We're buying food right now. So yeah, let me show y'all the place. So I've a lot of different restaurants and we ate here. Alright, so this is what I got. Brown stew chicken. Got brown stew chicken and food. This is what I want to talk about. Okay? And then we'll probably do it. Yeah. Like it's easy. Sorry? So guys, I made it to Portland. I'm going to show you guys the view because it's beautiful right now. So yeah, that's it. That's the day really. Just drove in and now getting a feel of everything.
I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart.
Alright, good morning guys. So as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, but I just wake up. I wanted to see the sunrise, but it looks like I missed it. I don't know if I missed it, but yeah, it's 7 o'clock, but the view is still amazing. Yesterday we didn't do much. We just sat and chill and talk. Yeah, I was so tired though, so I had to sleep early. But today is, you know, we're gonna explore.
Turn crystal. I can't even feel like I'll miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
So I just finding out that this is coffee. You know, the coffee that everyone drinks. Yeah. This is it. And this is a coffee bean. This is a dried one. This is so cool. So this tree that you guys are seeing is actually mahogany. The mahogany tree, that's what we used to make furniture. So this is, what kind of pepper? Scotch bonnet?
Sweet.
Sweet pepper? Wow. So it's all grow bigger than this? Wow.
So guys, right now we're walking to go down to the river. You know, cool down our body.
and some fur, because it's summer. It's hot girl summer. And you know the hot girls need to be cool. Hot boy, right. Hot boy summer as well. So yeah, walking. Where's it go? Oh. Hi, Cole. Why am out there so never need ears?
Because it's dog. He's bought.
Oh. Oh.
All the niggas round me, riding and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside.
Yeah. So guys, reach the river. Boy, now it's so beautiful. What's the fish them? No, it's not the fish them. Yeah, it goes. Oh. See what you want in that video? You want then? Yes. What kind of style that, bro? Yeah, it goes up. Yeah. Yeah. Nasty. It will out do nasty. Can you say please bend down in the water? It's cool. Something big stone over there, sir. Mm-hmm.
Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, riding and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
It's gotta be hot. Apparently you are. So guys, found a better spot. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I hope y'all are seeing what I'm seeing. So I'm going to go in the water now. So guys, we're leaving this beautiful river now, and the next clip you guys will see is probably at the beach. So they're cooking at the riverside. Love that. So guys, we made it to the beach. It's not a popular one, but it's really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures. I'll show you guys the beach better. And this is the fit. Do you like it? It's in my try-on haul, so y'all should check that out.
How many more days could I wait? Playing plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lied for you. I think I died for you. Jonathan cried for you.
So guys, we stopped at our next location. This is in Robbins Bay, St. Mary. It's really pretty. But I'm gonna show you guys from the back camera as usual. But it's me. That look nice and this one first.
When you want me to, like
So guys, I'm back from Portland. I do not feel good at all, so I had to stop and buy some Subway. So I'm gonna grab I'm gonna grab on it right now. Yeah. So I'm back home. I am tired, but I'm glad that I'm home. It was a good, weekend experience. I enjoyed it a lot. So if y'all want me to go like camping, if y'all want to see like a Portland camping vlog or a cookout or something, I'll definitely do it for you guys. So just let me know, and let me know if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all. Peace.